Fregoli syndrome, also known as the Fregoli delusion, is a rare psychological disorder characterized by a person's belief that different people are actually a single person who is changing their appearance or disguising themselves. This disorder was first described by an Italian psychiatrist named Dr. Paolo Fregoli in 1927. Dr. Paolo Fregoli, however, is not considered the father of mental illness. While he did make significant contributions to the understanding of certain psychological disorders, such as his work on the Fregoli syndrome, the field of mental health is a complex and multifaceted field that has been shaped by the contributions of many researchers, clinicians, and scientists over the years. The understanding and classification of mental illnesses have evolved through the works of numerous prominent figures throughout history. Some notable contributors to the field of mental health include Sigmund Freud, Carl Jung, Emil Kraepelin, Philippe Pinel, and many others. Each of these individuals has made valuable contributions to our understanding of mental disorders, diagnosis, and treatment. It's important to recognize that mental illnesses are not attributable to a single person or a single event but are the result of extensive research, collaboration, and the cumulative efforts of numerous professionals in the field of psychiatry and psychology.